we were talking about the classification or the types of the pharmaceutical dosage forms. I have already mentioned that the pharmaceutical dosage form are classified on the basis of the route of drug administration and as well as on the route of the physical state. The based on the route of administration, the drugs are classified as local as well as systemic. The local drugs locally the local drugs are those which are applied locally over the skin or the other routes. For example, topical preparations, intra-articular injections, intrathecal injections, and the retro bulbar injections. And the systemic preparations are those which are intended to be absorbed into the bloodstream and distributed throughout the blood. They include the oral dosage form, sublingual or the buccal dosage buccal or the dosage forms which are administered through the sublingual route and the buccal route, as well as the rectal preparations which are administered through the rectal route, and the cutaneous inhalation, nasal and parenteral preparations. The parenteral preparations include the subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous and the intradermal preparations. And the second type is based on the physical state of the drug. For example, the dosage forms which are in solid state are classified as the solid dosage forms, and and those dosage forms which are in liquid state are classified as liquid dosage forms, and others are the semi-solid dosage forms and the gaseous dosage forms. The solid dosage forms include the tablet, capsules and the pills, and the liquid dosage forms include the syrup, elixirs, linctus, drops, draughts, etc. And the semi-solid dosage form include the creams, gels, paste and the ointments. And the gaseous dosage form includes the aerosol inhalation. What are the solid dosage forms? Solid dosage forms include the powders, tablets, granules, capsules, cachets and pills, suppositories, lozenges and poultices. The powders are the solid dosage form that contain the finely divided particle in micron size, and the tablet are the dosage form that contain the medication or the active ingredient with or without the excipients, and the granules are the aggregates or of the particles of the active ingredient, and the capsules are the drugs that are enclosed in a gelatin capsule shell, and the cachets are the drugs that are enclosed with the water sheets of rice. Pills are the small tablets that contain the excipients, and the lozenges are the solid preparations that contain the sugar and the gum used to medicate the mouth and the throat. And the suppositories are the solid dosage form that contain the medication with suitable suppository base that are intended to be inserted into the body cavity other than the mouth, like rectum, nose, ear, etc. And poultices are the solid dosage form that are converted to paste like preparation and are used externally in the skin to reduce the inflammation. What are the liquid dosage forms? The liquid dosage forms include the clodiones that are the liquid preparation for external use, having the nitrocellulose, and it is used to protect the skin. And the second is the draughts. The draughts are the liquid preparations for oral administration containing the medication available in a single dose or multiple doses. And the elixirs are also the example of the liquid dosage form, and these are the preparations, liquid preparations that are used for the oral for the oral